Assalamu alaikum. Hello and a very good afternoon to everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala Muhammad. I start in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, and peace be upon our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is Tirmizi Ashrafi from Association of Muslim Professionals, and I welcome you all in this wonderful and informative session of employability training program on interview skills and techniques. I would now do a small presentation on AMP India Foundation. AMP India Foundation. AMP India Foundation is a not-for-profit organization registered under Section 8 of Companies Act 2013, Government of India, for providing voluntary social services to meet the needs of underprivileged individuals, that is, upliftment of the underserved and needy through education and vocational training, employment support, medical relief, economic empowerment, student mentorship and guidance. Employment assistance cell. We all are witnessing AI's success as one of the most admirable national level NGO, striving for three E's: education, employment, and empowerment. Keeping in mind AI's core objective of supporting the underprivileged, promoting education, and creating economic empowerment, AIF has launched a special project with the name of AIF Employment Assistance Center. During its initial stages of formation, today it is one of the core projects of AIF. Major EAC activities major EAC activities include but are not limited to conducting job fairs, job drives, employability training programs in colleges, skill training company tie-ups, candidate mobilization, skill development process, job fairs. Job fair is one of the flagship projects of AIF, and we have successfully organized 43 job fairs till date. Every job fair has participation of a minimum 50 companies and 2,000 plus candidates. AIF has organized job fairs in the past in collaboration with Thane Police, Aurangabad Police, West Bengal Minority Finance Development Corporation, Andhra Pradesh State Minorities Finance Corporation, and other reputed. These government organizations and NGOs collaborate with AIF as local partners and take care of the local ground promotions and the job fairs arranged. AIF invites corporates like TCS, Asian Paints, Reliance Group, Cafe Coffee Day, McDonald's, Team Lease, Tech Mahindra, and other reputed corporates in the job fairs. Job drives. Job fairs are similar to job fairs but are organized on a much smaller scale compared to job fairs. Employability training programs. AIF's employability training program or ETP has been developed to assist job seekers find the right job at the right place and at the right time, and to become the right fit in a present day modern organization. Our ETP trainers are seasoned professionals who have in-depth understanding of employability training and committed to investing their valuable time, resources, and knowledge in grooming the candidates. We team up with colleges in different cities and conduct ETPs there on a regular basis, usually once every month. Skill training company tie-ups and candidate mobilization. AIF has partnered with reputed skill training companies like Cuttrust, Whirlpool, Tech Mahindra Foundation, etc. We have also arranged skill training melas in Mumbai by inviting around 20 skill training companies to hire and train unskilled candidates who could not pursue their higher studies after 10th and 12th standard. Candidate mobilization. AIF has mobilized candidates for various skill development courses like AC technician, mobile repair technician, and solar engineering under Skill India Mission in centers all across India. Our achievements: 43 plus job fairs, 9 online job fairs, 275 plus job drives, 6 online job drives, 220 plus employability training programs, 24 online employability training programs, 100 plus mock interviews in colleges, 25,000 plus candidates placed in jobs, organized 6 career fairs, and benefited 150,000 plus students. New initiative by AMP India Foundation. EmpowerJobs.com was launched on 6th December 2020. It's a unique job portal with comprehensive offerings introduced by AMP India Foundation for job seekers, especially those hit by COVID pandemic. Thank you very much. And now I would introduce the speaker for today. Dr. Syed Rafiq Ahmed. Dr. Syed Rafiq Ahmed is a HOD of Commerce at the New College, Chennai, and affiliated to the University of Madras. He is a professional trainer and motivational speaker. I would now welcome Mr. Syed Khalil Ahmed, Syed Rafiq Ahmed, to kindly take over the session from here. Over to you, sir.
Jazakallah khair. Let's thank the Almighty for His continuous grace and help extended to all of us. And number two, I extend my heartiest thanks to the AMP group of people who are involved in empowering the students community in all schools, colleges, polytechnic, universities and all. And then I'll also the management, the teachers of the esteemed institution where I am presenting my interview skills, that is employability under the topic of employability skills. मैं सबका धन्यवाद देता हूं आप लोग को मेरा एक वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया हुआ है. I think in my speech both Hindi and English will be in a joint together, it will be there. First of all, I request all of you to feel free. Don't worry, any kind of questions I ask, please try to feel freely, frankly, and if possible, fluently answer whatever the questions I put on to you. I am sure so far you have been very busy. आप लोग इतने साल जो कुछ हैं कॉलेज में ओनली टीचिंग पर रहेंगे, बट आज का सेशन जो है आप लोग को ट्रेनिंग में होगा. तो ये टीचिंग और ट्रेनिंग में क्या डिफरेंस होता है, तो ये पहले अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए. That is the reason why in the month of Ramzan also, okay, and we people are doing as a teamwork. Okay, क्या लिए कर रहे हैं बोलो? Tomorrow you are all the nation builders, okay, in your different field. So to equip you as per the latest challenges, globalization and then liberalization, privatization, LPG बोलते ना, इसके लायक का आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी कैसा लेके जाना, ये कीपिंग दैट इन एस्पेक्ट इन जनरल we are focusing the students community under the today's session called interview skills which is a part of employability skills. Well, actually before we go into that aspect, straight away they have given a topic. आप लोग को employability skills दिया हुआ है, ये कैसा आया, किधर से आया करके वो introductory part मैं आप लोग को देना चाहता हूँ. For example, let me ask you the question. Please feel free. Is the college is a co-ed one? Co-ed है क्या college में? Hello? Yeah, okay, right. Okay. What are all the disciplines we have in the college? आपके college में क्या क्या disciplines है? For example, is it a polytechnic, right? Yeah, and then I think you have mechanical, civil, and computer applications. Okay, maybe architecture, maybe separate courses on commercial practice. All these things will be there. Yes. Okay. Good. Thank you, gentlemen, for the reply what you have given. Why I'm asking all this? No, let me ask you a question. A triangle has how many sides? Very good. 3. Thank you, Manoj Kumar. You have given 3. Good, good. Now, don't think that I'm asking you a silly question, but it has got a very good information on that. This triangle has got 3 sides. In mathematics, it is called 3 sides of triangle. Okay. But in our day-to-day life, okay, the psychologists in the entire world, the psychologists है ना, the entire world में इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सक्सेस ट्रायंगल करके बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? सक्सेस ट्रायंगल कहते हैं. ये ट्रायंगल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 साइड्स. आप लोग बोले हुए हैं. गुड, गुड आंसर, वेरी गुड. सक्सेस ट्रायंगल, गुड, गुड, गुड. कोट्रिश, good. And these 3 sides, you know, the first side is called K. What is the first side called? K. The second side is called S, and the third side of a success triangle is called A. Tomorrow you may forget. What is this KSA? You remember like this? Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Very good, no problem. Or whenever you are going to your polytechnic institution, you will be asking question to your teachers, right? So that asking question, ask, you know, ASK. You just आप इसको उल्टा कर दो, KSA आ जाएगा. So whenever you go to the college, whenever you are thinking for your career, okay, whenever you're thinking for your job and all these things, please remember this KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, or ask को आप जो उल्टा कर दो, okay? That is, K stands for knowledge, S stands for skill, A stands for attitude, okay? Knowledge, how will we acquire? We all are getting knowledge. बोलो भाई, आप लोग बोलो, भाइयों बहनों, आप लोग बोलो, knowledge कैसा आप लोग acquire कर रहे हैं? Knowledge with the help of school, college, polytechnic, college, university, library, institute. Example for this. Very good. Okay, by reading. Quotation, very good. By studying, good, good. But where is the place? Where is the place we are getting this knowledge? School, college, polytechnic, university, and all these institutes, all these things, right? Very good. Library. That's what I told you. In college library. Good. Social media. Good, good. Tarun, in life also. Very good, good, good. Thank you, thank you. I want the response like this only. You should go on, give the response, and then only I will be very active. Okay. Okay. Dhananjay, thank you so much. Library. Good, good. Next question I will ask you. I told you, yes. Yes stands for skill. That's the reason why today we all have assembled. Why I am telling, you know, whether it is India or abroad, whether you're South Indian or North Indian, whether you're a student of school, college, polytechnic, or university, everybody should come across in these 3. Then only you will be called successful. Then only you will be called a goal-oriented person. Then only you will be called as a very happiest person in the world. Okay. Once again, मैं आपको हिंदी में भी बोलूंगा, आप लोग को नॉलेज के इंपॉर्टेंस देना चाहिए. नॉट ओनली नॉलेज. ओके, आप लोग क्या करना? वेरी गुड. गेट स्किल. वेरी गुड. ऑन द पर्टिकुलर वर्क. Quotation, good, good, good quotation. Okay. Not only acquiring knowledge, you should balance in all these 3. Okay. मेरे भाइयों बहनों, ये 3 चीज को भी आप क्या करना चाहिए? इंपॉर्टेंस देना चाहिए, बैलेंस करना चाहिए. नॉट इंपॉर्टेंस, बैलेंस करना चाहिए. अब आपकी बॉडी है ना, बॉडी में क्या करना चाहिए? बॉडी और माइंड को बैलेंस करना चाहिए कभी भी. ओके. इसी एग्जाम्पल में आपका बायोडाटा भी, आपका लाइफ भी, आपका ये भी, जो कुछ आप कैरियर जाते हैं, इसमें भी आप लोग क्या करना चाहिए? नॉलेज में और स्किल में और एटीट्यूड में. ओके. एटीट्यूड, मैं एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ. ओके. संदीप. ओके. आपको नॉलेज में क्या बोला मैं? एक्चुअल एग्जांपल एक्वायरिंग थ्रू स्कूल्स, कॉलेज, यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड ऑल. स्किल मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, याद रख लो, एनीथिंग यू डू इट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ योर hands and legs. Okay. Anything you do it, whether it is a polytechnic, engineering college, arts and science college, medical, technology, all these things. Okay. Is harmful? No, sir. No. Okay. I'll come back to the attitude, Sagar. Wait for some time. Okay. This skill consists of what? It's nothing but I told you, anything you activate your hands and legs. If you perform any activity, that is coming under skill. For example, today's topic, resume. Okay, how to make a perfect resume. Okay, how to write a covering letter. Okay, what kind of tips you give for interview. All these things we will discuss. But before that, I'm telling you the essence of giving today's topic. आज का टॉपिक आप लोग को दिए ना, एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स. ओके, इसमें क्या दिया हुआ आपको? रिज्यूम्स को कैसा ये करना चाहिए और इंटरव्यू स्किल्स के टिप्स क्या है करके हम लोग को शेयर करने के लिए हमको इस दावत दिए हुए हैं. ओके, एंड स्किल आई टोल्ड यू, एनीथिंग एक्टिवेट योर हैंड्स एंड लेग्स. जो हाथ और पैर को एक्टिवेट करके कुछ एक्टिविटी आप करेंगे ना, इसको क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? Sir, is it audible, sir? One respondent is telling not audible. Is it
Yes,
okay?
sir. You are clearly audible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
And then third one, I told you, attitude. KSA, no? Attitude is nothing but it comes from your heart. Anything not from your lips. Please remember, मेरे भाइयों बहनों, आपके लिप्स में नहीं हो जाना है, क्या भी नहीं, वो आउटकम नहीं आएगा. If you activate your heart by heart, for example, you are there in a classroom, you are entering into interview room. Okay, in a boardroom you are entering. When you enter, immediately what you should do? There, knowledge will not be useful for you, skill will not be useful for you. But when you enter immediately the boardroom interview room, what you should do immediately? Can anyone say? Ladies and gentlemen, very important. That is an example for attitude. Many things are there, but now I am just telling a very simple example. आप लोग इंटरव्यू को जाएंगे, ग्रीटिंग. बिफोर ग्रीटिंग आप क्या करेंगे? यस राधिका, गुड मैनर्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट. वेरी गुड राधिका. But immediately once if you enter the interview room, no, I mean boardroom, immediately asking to come in. Okay, before that, yeah, Muhammad Suhaib, dressing code. Okay, knocking the door. Very good. That's the correct thing. Second thing, wishing, that is there. Behavior. Okay, Nitish, good. Very happy to see the response from you people. Jagdish, confident. Okay, everything is there, Baba. But I'm asking you, but can you recall and tell me? See, you are entering into your principal's room. Immediately, what will you do? That's what I know very well. In any schools and most of the schools and colleges, they won't be touching this area. Yeah, may I come wishing them? Okay. Before that, I'm telling, that is an example that should come with the help of your heart. So when you activate your heart, you will get that result. Attitude will come. Can anyone say? Jagadish, manners, smile. Very good. Ananya Sethi, give her a big clap. Good. Very happy to see. A smile, a small curve in the face, it will bring the people, even if they are in a mile. Very good. Very happy, ma, to greet you. Thank you so much. What I meant to tell you, this is smile. Very good, ma. Thank you. What I'm telling you, if you activate this comes only with the help of your heart only. It doesn't, no knowledge, no skill will contribute in this. That is the reason why in today's session, they are giving more importance on the attitudinal development, attitudinal change. If you change your attitude, your resume will change. If you change your behavior, I think your interview skills, technique will be changing all those things. Don't worry about that. Okay. So again, I recall. Okay. Now, before I go to that points, very good. Face must be there in the interview. Okay. Right. Happy face. Good, Sandeep. Thank you. At least you realize this. A happy face. Good. Very happy to see and hear the comments from you people in the chat box. Thank you. Knowledge, you use your brain. We used to call brain. Okay. Activate the brain, you get the knowledge. Okay. Should be there from our face. Good. Mudoli. Okay. Very good. You are given our confidence. Okay. Right. Good. And then skill, I told you with the help of your hands and legs, आपके हाथ और पैरों को activate करो, you acquire anything. It is an example for skill. Good. And if you activate your brain को क्या बोलते हैं हम? दिमाग से काम करोगे, दिमाग को यूज करोगे तो नॉलेज यू विल गेट इट. ओके, गुड. एंड देन एटीट्यूड के लिए क्या आप ये करना चाहिए? एटीट्यूड को आप एक्टिवेट करेगा तो एटीट्यूड आ जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल आपने बोल दिए, ये स्माइल इन द इंटरव्यू प्लेस, गुड. बट क्या एक्टिवेट किए तो आप लोग को एटीट्यूड आ जाएगा? कैन एनीवन से इन द चैट बॉक्स? I told you knowledge, use your brain. Skill, use your hands and legs. Okay. And attitude, what will you use? Okay. Very good. Ananya Sethi, very good. I think yeah, one more extra cup of tea we can give to Ananya Sethi, because she is very aptly said, you have to activate your heart. Okay. For example, another thing I will ask you, in your polytechnic college, if you forget to bring your record notebook, okay, if you forget to bring your workbook, something like that, okay, immediately if you come late to the college, 10 minutes late, half an hour late, you want to enter into the lab or you want to enter into the college, immediately what will you do? You make a smile with them. Why don't you make it a frowning? फ्रॉनिंग बोलते हैं ना, गुस्से से. आप लोग गुस्से वाले रहे तो भी उस वक्त पे आप लोग गुस्से से नहीं बताते. हमें करेक्ट? इंस्टेड ऑफ फ्रॉनिंग, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं ना फ्रॉनिंग, यू व्हाट यू डू नाउ? यू स्माइल. व्हाई? यू आर स्लाइटली चेंजिंग योर एटीट्यूड so that you are pleasing the teachers, you are pleasing the professors that you have come late. Angriness skills, very good, Sandeep. Good thing, good. Okay, G.J. Krishna Reddy, good, confident. Okay. So what I mean to tell you, you are a person by naturally frowning. But when you go late to the college, when you don't bring your record notebook in the college, immediately what you change from your frowning to happy face. Same way, we have many things to change ourselves. Okay, can we change our father or mother's attitude? Tell me now. Please come into the chat box. No, sir. Very good. Quotes rightly said. Can you change the attitude of our principal and professors in our polytechnic? Okay, Prajwal. Okay, good. No, sir. Quotes again. Good. Kusuma, Sneha. No. Very good. Finally, I will ask you the question. What is the solution for this? We can't change others. But what will you do? Okay, Dali. Dhananjay, good. Only we have to change. Good. Sneha, give her a thunderous applause to Sneha. Correctly, she said that only we have to change ourselves. If you change ourselves, a day will come, we can change all others in our polytechnic, in our district, in our home, in our country, everything we can change. Okay. This is what the psychologists in the entire world wide में. तो आप लोग क्या करना चाहिए? आप दूसरे लोग को चेंज कर सकते क्या? नहीं होगा. आप खुद चेंज करना चाहिए. ओके. अब एग्जांपल और एक भी मैं आपको बोलता हूं. आप लोग क्या करो? If you change your CV, okay, if you change your interview skills, techniques slightly with the employer, definitely you will get the job. You know the reality. There is no unemployment problem in India. Ladies and gentlemen, भाइयों बहनों, आप लोग समझना चाहिए हमारे इंडिया में अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट क्या प्रॉब्लम है मालूम? Unemployability is the problem now. Could you please come again with this word? Unemployability is the problem. What do you mean by unemployability? We are not fitting ourselves to the right man for the right job at the right time by the right person. All these things. Please check this. Okay. Please change yourself. Very good. Okay. No skills is execute. Okay. Right. Good. Okay. Radhika. Okay. Naveen. Yes, sir. Okay. Mohammed Bilal. Okay. So what I meant to tell you, if you slightly change your CV, if you slightly change your behavior in the interview skills in front of the interview board, definitely that is not only the one company you have. You have lot of companies to come. Don't worry. they will come behind you. आप लोग को सर्च करके आएंगे throughout India, throughout the world में people will come because you have changed your behavior, you have changed your resume, you have changed your skill, you have changed your attitude, you have changed your knowledge, everything. 25% extra spring if you put it. Definitely, I'm telling you, in your studies, in your job, in your interview, you will be successful. You can achieve your goal, you can be happy in your life. This is what the introduction part I would like to give to the students there. Okay. Now, what we do is knowledge, how to do is skill, and willingness to change is attitude. Okay. Please remember these things. These three success triangle, you have to focus every day, every moment, every minute, every one of you, irrespective of South India, North India, India, abroad, male, female, every one of you. Okay? Inshallah, in the near future, today is only a beginning. Today, whatever we are going to give is only a bundi to you. Still, laddu will be there for you, inshallah, in the near future. With the help of this AMP, that visionary people, we will reach you once again for giving you more input in this. Okay. So once again, I tell you, whether you are a student, whether you are a teacher, you are a head of the institution, even if you are a housewife, please, ladies and gentlemen, आप लोग याद रखना चाहिए, always think knowledge, okay, skill, attitude. K, yes, ये. Ask को उल्टा कर दो, K, yes, ये आ जाएगा. ये इसके ask है ना, spelling. उसको उल्टा कर दो. So always you think, always whenever you read one subject, think whether I have acquired knowledge, okay. Whether I have got skill with the help of using hands and legs, good. Whether I have acquired a good heart. I told you, no. One more example I'll tell you. If you be a good listener, tomorrow you will become a very good communicator. This is an attitudinal change. Today you be a listener. Inshallah, in near future you will become a very good speaker also. This will come only if you get the permission from your subconscious mind. Attitudinal change. Okay. So will you all do it now from today onwards? What is the time now? Now it is 4:35. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you ask, you will tell tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'll ask again. Tomorrow, you will tell. Okay. So you try to think always knowledge, skill, attitude is the success triangle. It is necessary for college, polytechnic, medical college, engineering, schools, institute, wherever you study, India, abroad. These three things are identified by the psychologists or the behavioral scientists in the entire worldwide. That is the reason why every curriculum, okay, in school, college, polytechnic and all, they frame the curriculum based on the knowledge, how much students should possess, how much skill, how much attitude. Okay. So once again, I'll tell you, if you want to be successful in your life, if you want to achieve your goal, and if you want to be happy in your life, every one of you, आप लोग भाइयों बहनों और टीचर्स हो, आप लोग सब ये 3 साइड्स को मत भूलना चाहिए. ओके. कौन सा मैं बोला आपको? नॉलेज और स्किल और एटीट्यूड. ऑल दीज 3 थिंग्स में बैलेंस होना चाहिए. Not only acquiring knowledge, you will get the job. No, you should acquire skill. After acquiring skill, what you should do? You should get very good quotation. Good. Then you should use your heart to imbibe that. Example of the heart, I told you, a smile within the classroom. Okay. Within the college, like that. Don't go to the bus stand and smile. Sir already told in the webinar like that. I am not responsible. Police will come and catch up you if you smile in the bus stand. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. What I mean to tell you, for example, if you enter into the principal's office, a smile, a small curve on your face. Okay. And when you enter into a HOD's room, a smile. When you enter into among your students, among your colleagues, among your area mate, roommate, whatever may be, a smile. Every time a smile will give you a very good result, ladies and gentlemen. That is the reason why I'm telling you this special session has been arranged to change the attitude of each and every students in the school, college, polytechnic, university, India and abroad. Okay, I think they are doing a wonderful service. From the foreign experts also, they are sharing the information to all the students community. This is what we get. Very good. Good, Patresh. Smile gives positive vibes. Very good, good. Thank you. Okay, no, not bad. I was told that this particular your institution, you excel well in not only in studies but also in the behavior. Also, I was told. Very good, very good. Yes, smile can change the world, Mohammed Bilal. Thank you for your words in the chat box. Okay. Now, what I meant to tell you. Now, I will touch the third area. In India, 100% knowledge is there. Alhamdulillah, every school, college, polytechnic is giving lot of knowledge. Okay. Very good. Personality is important. Sandeep is telling. Good. That's what I'm telling. These personality, employability skill, interview skills, all these things come under the attitudinal change. Okay, I will come back to you. Don't worry. Okay. Very good. Good. And then what I meant to tell you is that I was just telling you this third success triangle. What is that? KSA. What is the third one? Sneha, Sri, Manoj, Maham. Oh, okay. Kausam, Imtiaz, attitude. मेरे भाइयों बहनों, ये एटीट्यूड को आप लोग टोटल करो. कितना आता बोलो? जगदीश, you please total this attitude. Chandra Kumar, Jagdish. No. A stands for number 1, right? A. T, what is the number? आप लोग टोटल कर दो इसको. टोटल डाल के चैट बॉक्स में बता दो. टोटल कर दो आप लोग. A, T, I, T, U, D, E. आप लोग पूरे को ऐड कर दो. ये 1. T क्या नंबर है बोलो? अल्फाबेट में उसको ऐड कर दो. ना अल्फाबेट में पूरा ऐड करो. बोलो अश्विनी, प्लीज टेल मी. जगदीश, चंदना, मुतूर, please tell. Very good. Give her a big clap. Who is that? Asus. I don't know the name. Kuzuma. Very good. Very good. Now you added all this thing, right? Okay. Very good. 100 is coming. I think attitude is the only word when you add 100 comes. Am I correct, ladies and gentlemen? Very good. That's what. You total all this 100. Okay. Makam Sai, Sagar. Very good. 100 is coming. Good. Chandana, Mutur. Good. Redmi. I don't know the name of the thing, but Redmi it is there. Sohana Begum, 100. Very good. GV Sandeep, 100. Very good. Very happy. Sir, AMP group, sir. You have given a very wonderful audience. Nisar, Manoj, Lavanya, everybody is correctly telling the answer. Very happy. Now, why this AMP? Why this behavioral scientist? Why these psychologists? Why this today's session we are focusing on employability skills? It is coming under the attitudinal change. Very good. GV Sandeep also, sir. Okay, ma. Good. Now, attitude, consists of 4 components. Okay. Number 1, memory. Very good. OMB Mudholi. Okay, good. Memory is there. Communication skills are there. Okay. Number 3, HR principles, human relation principles will be there. And 4th one, stress management. Can you please come again in the chat box? These are all the 4 components are there in the attitudinal change. In this attitudinal change only, positive mental attitude, goal setting, self-confidence, employability skills, resume, interview skills, all these things will come. Very most important. Okay, OMB Mudhali, very good. Communication is a very important. Correct, good. So number 1, communication, very good. Number 2, memory. Number 3, human relation principles. Okay, and then 4th one, you have stress management. Some skills are there connected to the KS skills. That also we have to take in our consideration the employability skills. Okay, today's session will be focusing on your K is you are getting in the polytechnic, your college, no problem. The S and A, no, that is the reason why you all are assembled in today's session. Very good, Kotresh. Very good. Thank you. Very good. Stress management, not stress concentration, stress management. Okay, correct it yourself. No problem, sir. Kotresh, it's only no problem. It's my pleasure. Don't worry. Okay, good. I want your participation only. I am not finding fault any one of you in this audience. Okay, I know you are all very bright student, very intelligent student. I know you are bringing laurels to the institution, to your department. I know very well. That is the reason why this AMP has selected your institution. Okay, don't worry. Now, in this skill development, you know, Government of India is taking a lot of efforts to give skill and all. And then today's very good, Sandeep. Thank you so much. In the attitude, you all know that we have to use our heart, then only we can achieve that. Not only skill if you have, we can achieve. No, we should have some attitude to change, to acquire, to get that also. Okay. Okay, Sandeep. You are most welcome to me. You want to come to my college? You are most welcome. Right. Now, let me come to the topic, what they have given. Employability skills. I already told you, don't worry. From today onwards, change your attitude. It is nothing but there is no unemployment problem in India. But the only thing is unemployability. What do you mean by unemployability? You have to make yourself, your diploma, your degree into the as per the job market. That's all. Simple meaning of employability skills. Okay, as per the market, in the liberalized, globalized environment, in the privatization, you have to change your what? Your resume. You have to change your behavior. That's very important. Behavior cannot be changed in one day, ladies and gentlemen. आप लोग याद रखना चाहिए. आप लोग behavior, it will come today 5%, tomorrow 10%, like that. Slowly it will come. Today I gave an example of smile. Okay, before entering into the boardroom, yes, smile. Okay, and then you have to gently knock the doors, like that. You have to be. I'll come back to that. Before that, let me talk about something about on the resume. Now, are you able to understand the first part? What I mean to tell you? If you want to be successful, if you want to achieve your goal, if you want to be happy in your life, in your polytechnic, in your home, in your job market, in your villa, in your mohalla, wherever you go, in India, in abroad, these three things are very, very important. You have to balance these three: knowledge, skill, attitude. Knowledge, use your brain. Skill, use your hands and legs. And attitude, use your good heart. That's why we tell no, the kind-hearted person, good-hearted person. That's the reason why we tell like that. Okay. So focus more attention on the attitude. Now, Alhamdulillah, every school and college, polytechnic, they are focusing on skill development. No problem in that. But now the third one we require is now a very good attitude. Okay. Please try to think over it. Read more books. Okay. And search in websites. Know about more of attitude. Please remember the concluding answer I'm telling you. You can't change the attitude of your employer. You can't change the attitude of the principal. You can't change the attitude of the your father and mother, your brother, whomsoever may be. Only you have to change yourself. For example, in the interview, in the resume, I will tell you. How will you change in the resume? You all have prepared a resume, right? Normally, I'm just telling about in a resume, you should have, please check this, I think 7 items are there. I will list out one by one. You please tell me in the chat box also, so that the resume preparation will be of a perfect one. Okay. In any kind of resume, you see whether you have put the personal details. Number one, if you want, you make a note of in your diary, something like that. Okay. In any resume, I'm telling you, see that whether it reflects your personal details or not. Okay. What is the first one I told you? Come to the chat box. Personal details. Very good. Number 2, you take down. Very good. Ashwini. Very good. Chandana. Very good. Nitesh Kumar. Very good. Second thing, you have to focus your attention on the educational qualification. Okay, what is the second one? Ananya Sethi, Bhargavi, आप बोलिए educational qualifications. Very good, very good, very good, Ananya. Very good, Chandana Mutur. Good, good, good to see in the chat box. Good. Okay, put it the Roman letter 1, personal details. Number 2, educational qualification. And number 3, technical qualification or general qualification. Professional qualification you add in that. Number 3, what is that? Technical qualification. Now you are all studying in Polytechnic, I believe. You use the word technical qualification. For example, your diploma in engineering or degree in engineering, all these things you put it in Roman letter 3. And one thing you remember, ladies and gentlemen, bhayo behno, very good. Technical qualifications, very good, very good. Third, good, good. Good to Shirin Taj, good. Chandana Mathur, very good. Technical qualifications, good, good. Good Angel Mary, good. Technical qualifications, good. Now, my experience in this third one, you know, what you do in the second and third one, put it a tabular column. You know what is tabular column? Serial number, the educational qualification, the board, year, percentage. Like that you classify. The same way you do it for a technical qualification also. Once again, I'll tell you what you do now. Serial number. Okay, very good. And I'm telling you in the second point and the third point, put the information, your personal, your all kinds of your qualification experience in a tabular column. That is very important. Serial number, board, which exam you studied, Madhya Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh or Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, like that, Andhra, Kerala, like that. Which board you study, which you studied, SSLC, CBSE, like that. It should come in the second column. Third column, you write it in the name of the examination. Write third one board, second one examination, third one board, fourth one year, fifth one column, percentage or distinction, whatever you want to put that. Please present your resume under this tabular column. Very, 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 very important. Have anybody put it in your resume like that? Please raise your hands or come into the chat box. First one I told you, personal details. Second one, general educational qualification. Kusuma, very good, ma. Very happy, ma. Very happy. Shirin Taj, very good, very good, very good. Very happy to see. Thank you, thank you. And first one I told you, what is that? Personal details, general qualification or academic qualification. You can put nothing wrong in that. As per the state, as per your company, as per your college, you can change the word academic qualification, general qualification, like that. Third one should be technical qualification. Okay. And fourth one, if you have any professional background qualification also you can put. For example, in the Polytechnic, my knowledge goes, how many of you are well versed in CAD, CAM, CAD, CAD and CAM? That is coming under the professional. Okay. That you can put in the professional. For example, if you are studying BCom, if you pass ICW Inter, CA final, that is coming under the professional exam. MBA, if you study, professional exam, example. Okay. And then in your Polytechnic, I told you, if you study Tally, it is coming under the professional qualification. That you put it under next Roman letter. Okay. In a resume. Please check whether these things are there or not. I am telling you, all these things are the basic thing of your resume. Please check that. If it is not there, today itself you change. Today itself you make the resume a short resume. It should be 1 or 2 pages. It should be not more than 2 pages. Your resume should be. Please remember, if you keep a bunch of book of for resume and all, the employer will not consider it. Okay, take this as an important note. It should be very short and simple. Okay, things should be there. And then next one, I told you professional qualification. After that, a work experience. Okay, work experience based on the latest to the thing you can put. For example, now 2021 is going on. 20, what you have been doing, where you have been working, like that. 19, if you change, I'm telling you, or 17, 16, like that. So accordingly, you put it in the descending to ascending order. Okay, work experience. So how many things I told you now so far? After that, what do you do now? Very good. Very good. Next one, you take activities and achievements. What is that? Activities and achievement. Put it a separate thing, and now you jot down under bullets or under star mark. You put it. For example, you are a champion. Okay, in sports, in games, in oratory, in writing, whatever you have, very good skills. Also, you can put in that. No problem. Okay. So that is why I'm telling you under the general heading activities and achievements. What is achievement? You may be very good swimmer, okay, batsman, bowler, all these things in the achievements it will come. You got the district level certificate, university level certificate, good. All these things are achievement. Activities meant you have participated in CAD, CAM, computer skills, all these things you put it, okay, in a sequential order. That is very important. Okay, work experience is over, activities and achievements are over. Then finally you put references. How many are there now? References are there or not? References means maybe your HOD. Yeah, references. Yes, good. Two references are should be there. Naveen, please take it a point. You should have two references. Okay, one maybe HOD or maybe your teacher, your principal, or your advocate. Advocate general, like that. Vice chancellor, registrar, controller, professor, HOD. All these things you can put it in different. One, those who are in maybe a very good academician, you put it. Maybe from your own establishment, from your own institution, you put number one. Number two, from your area, very leading lawyer, leading surgeon, like that. Principal, polytechnic, or a college, arts and science college, whatever, maybe, or MP. All these things you can put as a references. Please check that in your resume. These things are there or not first. I am sure you change this, you apply it tomorrow itself, day after tomorrow, you will get the interview letter or not. I am sure, I'm telling you this. This basic itself, if you change, definitely the jobs will come and knock the door of your own, your house, your college. They will come and knock the door. The basic thing I told you. Okay. Please check in your resume whether these are there or not. And number two, now come to the interview skills. As I told you, once if you are, you have to be, I think your professors would have told you, you should go to the, please check that which place you are going for the interview. Maybe if it is very far away, you please go before a day and check. आप लोग अव्वल जाना चाहिए, जाके वो लोकेशन किधर है आइडेंटिफाई कर लेना चाहिए. वो इंटरव्यू डेट पे, इंटरव्यू टाइम पे 10-15 minutes or half an hour before रहना चाहिए. It is a must, so that you will not get tension. आपका mind and body balanced रहेगा. आप करेक्ट टाइम में जाएंगे, करेक्ट वक्त पे जाइएगा तो आपको टेंशन रहेगा. You have to go there and sit and take 3 deep breaths. That's very, very important. Okay. Punctuality is very important. That's correct. And when you are going to the interview, no, from the gate, when you are entering to the boardroom, they will see your behavior, how you walk, how you go along with your friends. See, I'm telling you, you are going for a formal interview. Never ever be informal. Okay, never ever be informal in your dress. Never ever be informal the way how you go to the interview. It should be a very formal dress. What do you mean by formal dress? Male, dark color pant, light color shirt, with a belt. Okay, the belt should be not with a initial and all. A very official belt, very professional belt. It should be. Shoe, socks, good haircut. Okay, all these things you take care. Dress code is very, very important. If you go with a very good dress code, correct place, if you go and punctually you go, and you should behave in a very yes, clean shave. It depends upon the state to state, that is left to you. I don't want to give more importance on that. Okay, what I meant to tell you, but that even if you keep the beard also, it should be trimmed. Even if you keep the hairs on your head, it should be trimmed one. Okay, first impression is the best impression. Remember, When you enter in the campus itself, they have a camera. They will look into it. Okay, a quotation is coming now. The way how you come, okay, very formal dress, in a very formal way how you enter. All these things they will observe. They will keep some psychologists in good organization. Okay, they will keep your behavior, how you walk, how you knock your door. Gently, when you come into the boardroom, gently knock the door like this, slowly, not dhada 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 dhada. No, 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 no. Don't make this mistake. Okay, भाइयों बहनों, आप जो इंटरव्यू को आएंगे ना, टाइम से, प्रॉपर टाइम से चले जाओ. बिफोर द इंटरव्यू टाइम में हाफ एन आवर जाके ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज आप ले लो. ओके, मे बी 5 times 10 times you take whatever you want. डीप ब्रीथ इनहेल करो, डीप एक्सेल आप करो, स्लोली इनहेल करो, स्लोली एक्सेल करो. इंटरव्यू को अव्वल, ओके, आप लोग ये ध्यान देना चाहिए इसके. ओके, तो आप जो अंदर जाएंगे ना, बोर्ड रूम में आपका नाम बुलाएंगे, जेंटली नॉक द डोर, टक टक दो बस. अंदर घुसे, अंदर जाके आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, स्माइल करो, स्माइल करो, देन यू नाउ यू ग्रीट. ओके, सेकंड ओनली यू हैव टू ग्रीट, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. One is enough, and you have to look left and right, because in the boardroom, no, it will be in the U shape. It will be in some of the places it will be oval shape. Okay, maybe like that. It depends upon the interview place and all. Immediately after entering the boardroom, knock the door slowly 2 times like that, gently, not dhad dhad. Okay, very important. Number 1, yes, smile and greeting the interview panel. Don't forget to look the person left and right. Don't look after only one person. When you look, you know what you have to look. You have to, आप लोग आपके eyes को देखना चाहिए. Eyes to eye contact करना चाहिए in any interview place. Please remember. Okay, go there, stand in front of them. When you stand there, if they allow you, please be seated. You sit. Otherwise, after some time, you can ask the permission. Sir, can I be seated like that? Then you take the seat and sit there. There is no wrong in asking the permission. Sir, can I sit here like that? Or madam, can I sit like that? You can ask it. Okay, right. When you sit in the interview, what do you do now? Immediately, see, the sitting posture also very important. I already told you, only you should not see their cheek, all these things. You should not head and all. Only eye to eye. Yes. That's what. Okay, I'll come back to you. So they will only, you have to see eye to their eye only, and don't never ever forget to see the left, right, straight. All these things in a balanced way. You look into them. Okay, this is very important. And how you have to sit, gentlemen. Neither you should be stiff like that. Should not like that. Neither you should be so down. No, it should not be. In a very medium type. Like this. Chest up, chin up. Slowly, head should be down. Okay, chest up, chin up, and not like a military. Okay, you have to sit there in front of the panelist, interview people. How you should do? Yes. Okay, and then keep your feet flatter on the ground. Never ever cross your legs in the interview place. Okay, never ever kneel down your hands in front of that desk or whatever we have there. Okay, this you keep it in mind. Never ever bend down too much, not like that. In a very straight like this, not too much straight like a military, in a medium way. Okay, do it. And then whatever the questions they are asking, it's a smile, try to. Okay, but don't laugh there. There is in a smiling way, pleasing way, you have to give the reply. Okay, this is the sitting posture, the way how you come into the interview, the way how you knock down, the way how you sit, and all those things. And then whenever the one question is posed to you, other questions will come from the right side, or right side is coming, left side will come. Please look into the panel then and there. Okay, then and there you give. Don't look onto only one person in the middle, not like that. You look here and give the reply. There also you look. That is very, very important. They will observe all these things to you now in the interview, in the boardroom. Okay, and whatever the questions they are asking, please remember, I'm telling you, before a day, what you do know, you imagine yourself You activate your right side brain. That is very important. How activating your right side brain? Think that you are going for the interview, you are answering very well, you are selected, they are giving the appointment order to you, and you are joining the job, you are joined the job. In this way, purposely dream, dream, dream. When you dream before the interview, definitely the interview, the dream will come into reality to you. I am telling you, touching the psychological point of view, very, very important. Never ever be informal. Okay, don't be, uh, take these things in a subconsciously. Okay, what do you do? Positive imagination. Yes, yes, Naveen, correct, you are correct. You imagine yourself, you visualize yourself. Okay, before the interview date comes to you, really you have to imagine. You should not imagine like this. Don't take it in a very lighter way, take it in a very serious way. Okay, okay, seriously you imagine yourself, seriously you visualize yourself that you are going to become a junior manager, executive, you are going to become a computer professional, like that. If you do it, I am sure, I'm telling you, whatever you have thought in your mind, whatever you already put it in your subconscious mind, definitely you will achieve that. This is the psychological tuning I'm giving you. You practice this before an interview, 2 3 days you practice visualization, imagination and all. Okay, and whatever the questions they ask, try to tell them boldly. Okay, if you don't know the answer, tell them, never be aggressive, what I mean to tell you. Okay, in a very polite way. Sir, as far as my knowledge goes, I'm telling this is what I understand, sir, like that. In a polite way you tell them. Even if you know the half of the answer, tell them my knowledge goes, sir. In a very polite way you try to reply them. Okay, and don't abruptly tell no, 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 don't tell like that. Any question they will ask you, for example, what do you want to know from your organization, you can tell. At that time alone you can tell, sir, I'm expecting this much of salary. Never ever tell the story of your personal life. Never ever tell about the story of your family. Never ever tell about your family atmosphere. My father is a very poor man, I'm from a very poor background. All these things you should not disclose in the interview panel. Am I correct, ladies and gentlemen? भाइयों बहनों, वो लोग आपको पूछेंगे how much salary you expect. In the same way, in the CV also, they will, or interview also, they will ask how much salary you ask me. At that time only you have to tell. Either you can tell as per the company's policy, sir, or you can tell I was drawing this much of salary in my previous company. I am expecting more than that. You can tell in a very polite way. Very, very important. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay, but never ever go there and demand for the salary, all the things. Never ever show you are, even if you are from a poor background, आप भाइयों बहनों वो इंटरव्यू में मत बोलना चाहिए. Okay, and then what do you do? Finally they will tell you to show the certificate. Keep the file, you know how it should be, no, your school certificate, sports, diploma, degree, everything you should put it in the file, you know, separately. It is available, transparent, transparency of sheet will be there, no. Slowly open it and show it to them. That's very, very important. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, in any interview skill, they will be very much focusing about your the behavior, the way how you come. Half of the interview is over there itself. Remember this point. Question and answer is very, very secondary. The way how you come, the time what you have entered in the interview, the way, the posture, posture, how you sit, the way how you answer. Even they may ask you some tricky questions. For example, how can tell me your strength and weakness? This is the common question they will ask. Strength you can tell, but weakness also you have to tell. How they have to tell, you know? Very good. Physical and mental. Naveen, correct, good. The weakness, how you have to tell, no, sir. Previously, I did not take my lunch as per my timings, time schedule. But now, of late, after joining this esteemed institution, I am very much punctual in going to the classes, taking my lunch, dinner, going early to the bed, waking up early from the bed. Like that, you can tell. There is nothing wrong in that. Okay. Think over in this angle. Questions will be in this angle. And that subject experts, as per your area, they will ask you the question. but more of the skill is important. You are from Polytechnic. What is the uniqueness of you? Why we should select you? They will ask this question. You have to tell the answer, sir. I have learned Python during my computer studies. Like that, any uniqueness is there, you can tell. Sir, I have been a state player in cricket, in carom board, or athletic, swimming. These things politely we can tell. And then I think I will bring laurels to the institution, not only the work, but also I will bring many laurels to the institution also by playing cricket, all those things. How you have in banks, in railways and all, no? In some companies also, they encourage the employees to be players also. Because if they tell their name, no, company name, so-and-so player has come, they will get a very good credit also is there in that way. Okay. So the general questions in the interview, apart from your subject, is that tell me about yourself. You have to project all. Don't tell your family minus point. Never ever tell. Positivity of that you tell. Sir, I am one among my family that I am the third brother. Like that you can tell. In a very polite way, you tell them. My father is a teacher. My mother or my father is a businessman. Like that you can tell. My mother is a teacher. Like that you can tell. Okay. So tell me about yourself. You can tell like this. Your school achievement, college, polytechnic achievement, like that. Then they will ask, what is the uniqueness of your studies? What is the uniqueness of your skill? As I told you, any new courses you have done, CAD, CAM, Python, all the in your area, mechanical, civil, and this computer or architecture or whatever you have, electrical, whatever you have, that please try to develop. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, never ever stick on to the 3 years diploma. Never ever stick on to the 3 years degree. Please try to develop more of skill certificates you acquire. Very important. Okay, as I know in the engineering, I told you CAD, CAM, Tally, and then Python. Many kind of skills are there in your own trade. Okay, try to acquire in this 3 years diploma course. Take that certificate also. I think you are the sought after the candidate. I'm telling you in that interview panel. Definitely they will look into it. They will see, are you an extra, I mean, having the extra skill, extra attitude, they'll change. Immediately they will give the job to you. If you don't have, I'm telling you, ladies and भाई बहनों, आज से आप लोग क्या करो, आपके attitude को slowly change कर लो. A smile on your face, okay. Punctuality maintain करने के लिए, time management, okay, and good human relation principles, how to talk with one to many, ये सब आप लोग घर से सीख लो, पॉलिटेक्निक से सीख लो, और आपके विला महल्ला में आप सीख लो. Then you go for the interview. I am sure you will be a unique person. Definitely the jobs will come and knock your home door. I am very sure in this. Okay. First you believe the Almighty. Okay, God. Believe in God. And number two, you believe yourself. You have some talent. Let me show this talent in the interview. I will, inshallah, I will get the job. Definitely I will take the job. I will be the manager. I will be the executive. You please try to have that dream before you go to the interview. That itself is more than 50% enough. Many person will go in a very lighter way. They come in a very lighter way. No. Take that interview as a very serious one. Okay. Apart from preparing your knowledge and skill in the subject, change all this behavioral aspect. Dream before the interview. You go there, and when you go there, I already told you, smile in a very pleasing way, in a punctuality. Okay. And then how you have to look into all the panelists. That is very important. The sitting posture. Finally, when you come out also from the interview panel, thank you so much. Like that, you greet them and come in that. Okay. Slowly. When you walk also, no, the sound should not come. Tuck, ticky, tuck. No. A very gentle shoe. Okay. Even ladies also, you appropriately you select the dress. Okay. In the interview, how you should go. Even if you want to go in the parda, it's okay, well and good. But how you go with the niqab and all, that you know very well in your own place. Okay. So that is very, very important. Okay. I'm sure, gentlemen, any kind of studies, any kind of interview, any kind of resume, any kind of employability skills, whatever the goal setting, anything you take, a small change, a small change in reading, small change in writing, small change in observing, small change in developing skill, small change in behavior, I mean, human relation principles, small change in stress also. Very important. Sometimes they will irritating question they will ask. You tell, I don't think so, sir. I am a person like that. They will put the negative questions on you. In a smile, you tell them, sir, I don't think so. I am in that angle. I am a very good person, sir. In school also I got 80%. Polytechnic I got 70%, more than 70%. Like that, in a very pleasing way, you tell them. Okay. This is a very important psychological point of view. We are touching to you interview, and you can search the many kind of internet are there, PPTs are there, many tips are there. But whatever I am telling you, the practical tips what we come across in the interview as a panelist, okay, as a person in the interview, I have seen many teachers for the interview, many students for there in the campus recruitment. I was there. I used to observe them, and the communication skill also. Try to give a continuous flow. That is very important. Okay. Don't worry, even if you make a mistake, small mistake, never ever worry. But don't keep your mouth shut in the interview panel and come. Something you go on talk. As our friends told in the chat box, you have to give more of what is that? Communication is a very important thing. Okay. And this is what I mean to tell you. Okay. Your eye contact in the interview very important. And then you have to eye contact, and then your gestures and postures very important. You put it in the meaning, gestures and postures example, many things will come. You will learn more thing on that also. Okay. The dress code, as I told you. Okay. Dark color pant, light color shirt. Don't your haircut should be in a very trim, as our friend said, complete shave. It is left to you people, your district, your area. Accordingly, you change your dress code. When you go with dress, half of the interview is successful. When you go with a positive mental attitude, before you go to the interview, as I told you, purposely you dream. That dream will become successful for you. Okay. This is what the very important practical tips I would like to tell you, and I would like to touch upon the attitudinal change will definitely give you, speaking politely, let's like that, will definitely give you a sea change. Okay, people tell sea change. My camera is off. Huh? Okay. Okay, boss. Okay, yeah, sea change is there, very important now. Now, what I mean to tell you, there are many things are there. Since the time constraint is there, now I would leave the session to open to the our भाइयों बहनों के लिए. आपको जो डाउट है, कुछ क्वेश्चन सवालों है, मेरे पास पूछ सकते हैं. आप लोग को सेटिस्फाई हुआ जो कुछ मैं ये छोटी मोटी जो कुछ आपको प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स दिया? I think you would have been happy. If you are very happy, please come into the chat box. And then if you have any questions, please come into the chat box. आप लोग को जो कुछ डाउट है, आप लोग ये कर दो. And one more thing I will tell you, in any polytechnic you study 3 years, you study, right? But as far as me concerned, 4 years. Vishwanath, thank you. 4 years you have to count it in that. How the summer holidays are there, winter holidays are there. Normally polytechnic and school colleges will work only half day, holidays, everything you total, it will come to 1 year. In this 1 year time, you develop your skill apart from your branch of study, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronic, computer, secretarial practice, all these things. Okay. Please try to develop. Not only your knowledge will be very useful for you, develop the skill. Skill, as I told you, anything you acquire. Okay. In the lathe, in the CAD, CAM, you know very well. Okay. Compared to me. Okay. Acquire that, take the certificate. That will help you in the interview panel in a most way. And change your attitude. That is very important in your communication. Okay. In your memory, right time, the right ideas are coming or not. Exercise on that. It is there, and many books are there on memory and the creativity. You improve the creativity. They will expect the candidate, especially the engineering and polytechnic, whether you are he or she is a very good creative person or not. This they will check then and there in your own field. Okay, so you try to develop creativity is nothing but activating your right side brain. Right side brain consists of three things. I don't have the time, but I am. If you give the mic to me, you can't take out the mic. Continuously, I'll be go on be taking. Three things are there in the right side brain. Left side brain is nothing but your mathematical ability. Okay, whatever you acquire of the school and college knowledge will come under the left side. Right side is creativity, imagination, visualization, and visualization, imagination, creativity. Okay, gentlemen. Yes, imagination. Okay, there's very powerful thing. These things are there in the right side brain. Try to activate this. What is creativity? Put it in the Google. You will get many examples are there. Read many personality development books by Dale Carnegie is there, and Shiv Khera is there. Many books are there in your own language also. Hindi it is there. In English it is there. Okay, so you take the one help from your professors also. Don't think that they are only connected to subjects. Not only that, they will guide you in the career also. Okay, don't get shy. Be bold and face the world. This is what the mantra of today's employability skills. Okay, employability skills again and again. I'll tell you, it is not only your knowledge alone. You keep your knowledge and skill according to the job market. You develop according to the talents. Your talents according to the job market. You develop your skill. You develop your resume. You change your attitude. You change your resume according to the what the employer wants. That's very important. Don't worry, it will not come in one interview. It will be coming to you in a very often. Very often, if you attend the workshop, you will be get clarified. Okay, very often you attend the interviews, you will be very clear, very cleared, and you will be very successful person in this. Okay. Now I just leave this session with the person. Any questions you have, you can ask now. Table, table is nothing but serial number. And number two, the education or the examination. Examination, no, SSLC, higher secondary, PUC, like that. And then board, Tamil Nadu board, or Maharashtra board, or Madhya Pradesh board, like that you have to mention. And then the next column, the tabular column is, you mentioned the year, in which year you passed your 10th standard, in which year you passed your 12th standard, in which year you passed your skill-based course, CAT, CAM, like that, and so on. Last one, distinction or percentage or class, first class, second class, third class, like that. Okay, this is what the tabular column. Any other doubts, please come into the chat box. Ladies and gentlemen, आपको कुछ डाउट है या आप हिंदी में भी पूछ सकते और इंग्लिश में भी पूछ सकते. So what?
So sorry to interrupt you, but there are no questions from the participants. So I think we should end the session here.
Okay.
And thank you very much, sir, for your precious time. And we look forward to such great sessions ahead. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now can I wind up now? Okay. Any kind of you can contact me through them. They will contact me and get the clarified in that. Okay. Once again, I thank the esteemed institution, AMP India, Mumbai, and also well-wishers, professors, the management, and all the ladies and gentlemen. आप लोग का धन्यवाद है. Thank you so much.